So guys, first of all, we have completed our first 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much everyone who helped me along this journey. Some helped me with making videos, some helped me with getting things to make videos, and some helped me with subscribing this channel. So thank you so much guys. So I want to share some of my favorite clips, or you can say bloopers, from this channel until 1000 subscribers. So let's start. For me, 2018 is one of the best year of my entire life, because at the start of 2018 I started photography. So guys, आज का मॉडल जो है वो है हमारा बल्कि जो कि मेरा फ्रेंड भी है, बहुत अच्छा और एकदम टॉपर है, मतलब हम लोग के मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट का। तो जिसकी आज हम लोग लेने वाले हैं फोटोज।
नहीं है अकेले ख्वाबों में आया करो, जी मैं सकता तुम्हारे बिना में सहारा।
This is what happens when you take photography on the street in Mumra.
क्या ले रहे हैं? रिफ्लेक्शन फोटोग्राफी ले रहे हैं।
तो अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं अंगार का चमत्कार, अंगार चमत्कार कुछ तो कर रहे हैं। मैं पोज दे रहा हूँ अभी, ठीक है? डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है कोई। अबे उठ उठ।
गाइस, आप लोग गाय नहीं हो, आप लोग क्या हो, इंसान हो। यस, आई एम लेम, आई नो, आई जोक क्रैक।
हम जरा फोल्ड करो।
नहीं हो रहा है। तो मैं नहीं कर रहा है।
मैं मेरा कचरा नहीं कर रहा।
2 hours later.
And the struggle continues. अभी सही किया था मैंने एक बार।
So guys, this is what happens when you try to fold a reflector for first time.
So hope you guys like the videos.
और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना।
So hope you guys liked those clips. Now let's get into our today's video. So I was doing this self-portrait photography ideas for 2-3 weeks. So now I am like bored of it, and because of this thing on my nose, I thought I should stop doing self-portrait ideas now. I should do something different, something that no one is doing. I mean, that can be done at home. So I started thinking, I mean, what can I do? By the way, I think so much. So I started thinking, what are the photo ideas that I can try at home? I thought I should do macro photography, but I don't have macro lenses, and also I don't want to ruin my gear by using that reverse macro lens technique. Then I thought product photography. Nah, I don't have much products. You have seen it. I've used that Titan watch for 2 of my videos. Then I thought light painting photography, but I've done it so many times, so I don't think I should do it. And then I got this idea of, what if I can try steel wool photography at home? So I am thinking of making a mini version of eggbeater to create some steel wool photos. So let's find out some wires and make it. So here it is, guys. This is our little guy. So I'm going to take the test outside because even if something goes wrong, it will not harm something in my home. Let's go out and see what this little guy have for us. That's too much of parts from such small amount of steel wool. I got the photo, but I can't recommend this to you guys to try at home. That can easily make a fire. That's why please do not try this at home, please. I'm just making this video to show you guys that I've tried it and this happened, so please do not try this at home. You can try it on terrace, yeah, that would be fine, but make sure that you don't have anything that can catch fire due to this steel wool. And also it is very much smaller. I mean, you can carry the whole steel wool photography things in just your pocket. I'm definitely gonna try this miniature steel wool technique after the lockdown, and I'm pretty sure we can get some amazing results. So this was our today's video. So guys, I'm thinking of making some self-portrait series in which we will create one self-portrait at a time, and I will share with you the whole Photoshop and photography process that I will do in that self-portrait. So I'm thinking of going to surreal portrait. So what do you guys think? Comment down and let me know. So hope you guys like this video. If you wanna see more videos like this, not more videos like this, but I have some home photography ideas that you can try at your home in this quarantine, because we are all stuck now. So you can check them out there on the channel, or you can get the link in the description or cards. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video because it will help me grow on YouTube. And see you in the next video. Peace.